How to control your thoughts when they keep coming back. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's talk about that. It's a great comment that somebody left on this awesome channel. So when the thoughts keep coming back to you and you don't want them, but you don't know how to get rid of them, and the more you think about not thinking about them, the more stressed out you get, which gives you urges. That is your classic negative feedback loop. So our job together is to create a positive feedback loop for lasting positive change. How do you do that? So here's the number one tip that you can do to stop those thoughts from invading your mind so you can stay the course and break the habit. You ready for it? It's a strong offense. You've heard me say that before. The best defense is a strong offense. So how you do that in terms of thoughts is every single day, every single morning, you put positive thoughts about something else into your brain, because your brain will keep going back to the thoughts that you are putting into it. So if you've been consuming or addicted or whatever we're going to call it to pornography for months, years, decades, those are the thoughts that you have been putting into your brain. So we are unwiring that pattern right now. But to rewire the pattern for different thoughts, you need to put different thoughts into your mind so that your brain can latch onto those thoughts, rewire and hardwire in the better brain pattern. What does that practically look like? Every single morning, read a book. If you're not keen on books, which would be a travesty, you can, if you must, fill your Instagram feed with positive, motivational people who are feeding you quotes and ideas and thoughts, so that every morning when you get up, you're putting some of these positive thoughts that are inspiring you to go out and just get super psyched about your job, get super psyched about your relationships, and get super psyched about your hobbies. And that is what is in my Instagram feed, even though I do not look at it in the morning. Sometimes at night, I'll troll a little and I have a lot of motivational quotes. I follow people who care about brain functioning like I do, and I'm inspired by the work that they're doing, and it inspires me to do better, bigger work. I follow my hobbies. I love to stand up paddleboard. As you know, I love to box. So I follow people who are engaged in those hobbies because it gets me psyched to get back out there and to do more of my hobbies. And I'm always working on my relationships with the hubs and with my children especially, and with my friends. So I follow people who are inspiring me to have better relationships too. You can do that in Instagram. Get the junk out of your Instagram feed like we've already talked about. Do not feed that part of your mind and your brain. Feed the part that you want the thoughts to be about throughout the day. That is how you will succeed. Now back to books. Get a book. Get a book that just inspires you to be a better person. Biographies are a great way to do that. I am always reading nonfiction, which I know reading fiction is a goal of mine in the evening. I never get there, but I read nonfiction books about other people's lives so that I'm inspired to do more with mine. And every day it puts positive juju into my brain first thing, and my brain will latch back to that. Just put into Amazon books on happiness. You'll find millions of them that are pretty cool reads most of the time. So put some positive juju into your brain, because that will start to flood your thoughts instead of the thoughts that you have been putting in for a really long time. Okay, so thank you again for that comment, because I love being able to answer people's questions because I think it is more meaningful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if it's giving you some help in your journey, because that's what I'm here for. And if you want more personalized help, jump on over to my website at drtrishleigh.com. I have programs that can help you along your journey. Okay, and don't forget, control your brain or it will control you.